Down here on the ocean floor, things can go from calm to chaos in seconds. Watch the octopus on the left slowly reach out, almost like it's testing the other one's patience. At first it looks cautious, maybe even curious, but then everything suddenly explodes into motion. Both octopus launch at each other in a furious tangle of arms, twisting, grappling, and pulling across the sand. Clouds of sediment kick up everywhere as the fight turns into pure underwater chaos. Every arm is trying to gain control, while both animals struggle to overpower the other. This isn't play fighting either. These animals are incredibly intelligent, territorial, and surprisingly aggressive when another octopus enters their space. But just as quickly as it started, it's over. The two rivals finally break apart, drifting back across the ocean floor and disappearing in opposite directions, leaving nothing behind but disturbed sand and silence. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And remember, who dares fins?